Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram create account error. So the answer is simple. You can just go to the settings and go to the apps as you see, and go here to the search and search on Instagram. Then go to the storage, and here as you see you can clear cache. If it does not work, you can just restart the phone, or if it does not work again, you can just try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data, so be careful with that. So that's for today, and see you. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.